If you think about it this way, the laws of physics and metrics versus the human connection piece. In the fable I talk about with Carrington and Sons, they have lots of signs and signals that they just ignore and are so fixated on the metrics that they get distracted. And they forget that organizations are not machines. Organizations are not machines. Organizations are living systems and they're governed by workflow dynamics. There's a part in the book where I talk about early on one of the executives having the aha moment of, trying to apply technical systems. And the problem is they're human problems. And you're going to hear my excitement and my joy. That's what I want to draw the readers into is the fact that, yes, metrics are important, but often you miss all the little signs and signals. And when the metrics are no longer green and they start to turn yellow or red, it's because of the human problem that cause the signs and the signals to get dehydrated. It's the human dehydration. It's the disconnection of the relationship, the signs and the signals of the broken trust, the signs and the signals that start prevailing in the lack of communication and the broken trust. So I call it cultural dehydration because now we've moved beyond its state and we stay there often for months and we don't even realize it. And that's what causes that overall dehydration. Cultural hydration isn't necessarily common or predictable as much as the dehydration is. So taking you through the journey, again, through Carrington and Sons, you're going to hear and see some of those signs and signals. And I know it's going to resonate with you and you're going to see it and you're going to think about, I've heard that in my team. Oh my gosh, I saw that shift in my team. That's what I want you to dial in on to understand that you can see the dehydration happening before you get to the thirsty mode. That's what I'm excited about for you to read in this little parable at the front of the book.